Thing that actually made it easier was maybe because I was filming with my friend. Because I know that even for both of us, it was awkward. Whenever we start filming, we would literally start laughing because it's just awkward, like talking to the camera. Okay, so my name is Em.Etetim. Hi, and I am a Lagos YouTuber.
Okay, I think guys know me already. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm fortunate, let me use that word, to meet with this famous,
I'm not
popular.
famous. So basically, we were hosting an event today, bringing like YouTubers together so we can, collaborate and have a relationship. So that's why we are here.
Okay. So like I have some questions to ask her. I'm sure you guys can also learn from it anyway. So I have it.
Like, I guess I am a YouTuber. I don't know if I've said this before, but basically, my very first YouTube channel was with my best friend, and it was just so random. Like, she walked into the room, I think, or I walked into the room, and I was like, "Oh my god, do you want to film a video?" And that's how we started filming together. And then I had that channel for like a year, I think. Obviously, like I wasn't consistent because I was studying and whatnot, so I didn't really have time to do it. And then it was through that I realized that I loved.
But that was
editing when I was in Hungary. Yeah. So I realized that I actually loved editing videos so much. So I decided to start my own personal YouTube, and that was in 2018 January, on the 15th. That was my first video. Last year January. So then I was still in Hungary, but then that was the period I was traveling around. So I just wanted to document all those things.
So you said you like editing and all that. So did you learn it or just actually
On my own? Because I kept editing YouTube videos more and more, I realized that I liked this thing called B-roll. It's like slow motion and stuff like that. Yeah, I love this so much. I was like, I'll include all my videos. So yeah, and I started learning how to get better with editing, basically. Because at first, I remember because there's something. Okay, for instance, slow motion. You have to film with 60 frames per second. If not, the slow motion is going to be like crooked. Yeah. So little things like that, I got to learn it on my own. So,
So the next question is,
because I loved editing. That was it. I was always looking forward to editing new videos. Yeah.
so at that point you were creating content with your friend. You usually edit for her or
Yeah, I did all the editing.
she doesn't know how to edit herself?
I would say she was not interested. So, and plus I was way more interested than she was. I wanted to edit all the videos. Yeah.
Okay.
Obviously, when I started, like I wasn't used to talking to the camera, so it was always weird. Like when I'm talking to the camera, it's just like, oh, yeah, and you could tell from my videos that I was uncomfortable. Like, but one thing that actually made it easier was maybe because I was filming with my friend. Because I know that even for both of us, it was awkward. Whenever we start filming, we would literally start laughing because it's just awkward, like talking to the camera. Do you get? So that was one of the things. But because I did it with my friend, it wasn't so bad. Because by the time I started my second channel, I was already used
That was
to
yours?
yeah, this personal one. Yeah, I was already used to filming like all the I'll do it all. I don't care about who's watching. Do you get? Yeah.
Actually, say you started. I think
January
that has been
15th.
started already.
Yeah.
So like it's not. Let's say
It's not
year,
to 2 years.
a year
Yeah.
plus.
February, March, April, May, June. Oh, June. Okay, a year and 5 months.
Wow. That means you actually go very fast, so fast.
It is God. Okay, because it was when my video blew up now that I regret moving back to Nigeria video.
Yeah.
I literally went from like 700 or 900 subscribers to like 3,600 subscribers. And since then, my channel has been growing so fast. For instance, I got to 8,000 subscribers last month, somewhere like maybe at the beginning of last month, I think. And I ended the month with like 9K. You get so like 1K in a month. That's a lot actually.
I think that has to do with consistency.
Oh,
right?
definitely. Because I know before my channel actually started growing, I used to upload like 4 to 5 times
A week.
a week. Yeah, that was at the beginning of this year. Because at the beginning of this year, I actually told myself that I wanted to get to like 20K by the end of the year. But then, and then I started uploading a lot more consistently, like 4 to 5 times a week. And so when my video blew up, people had things to go back and watch. So that's why a lot of people subscribe. Because there's sometimes like your video can blow up, and if you don't have like good content for people to watch, people won't subscribe. Because people like, okay, for example, on that video, because you can tell how many subscribers you get from a video. On that video, I think I only have like 1,000 something subscribers, but then I gained almost 3,000 subscribers. You get? So what people do is when your video goes viral, they watch that. If they like the video, they watch another video of you to confirm that they want to subscribe. Yeah. So that's what happens.
So when you talking about like making like 5 to 4 or 10 videos in a week, that's actually consistent.
Yeah.
But what would you advise for someone that has like a 9 to 5 job? You know, juggling YouTube and 9 to 5 job.
I don't know. Like I really don't know because I have never really been. Because one thing I know is that if you have a 9 to 5,
Yeah.
churning out content, like your 9 to 5 can actually even make you hate YouTube. Because the stress of it all, the struggle is too much. Like sometimes even if you have time, you may not want to create content because you're already so stressed out and exhausted. Do you get? So, but I've never been through it, so I don't know how to advise you on that. You have a 9 to 5?
Yes, I do. Anyways, we're actually supposed to look like on Saturday like that, but I feel like even this one, I have to just sacrifice like a lot of things. And maybe my position in this, so I don't have time to just be like, okay, I won't be coming to work today, just taking it just because of what I do. So the space. And all of that.
No,
so I feel that doesn't work
that
for me.
like that's too broad to like. I don't know. That's too. It's not tangible when you tell someone, "Oh, look at your passion."
Or you
It's
have
not really
like
tangible because
a particular skill that you know.
I feel like at the end of the day, for some people it works that way because some people actually know what they are passionate about. Because I'm passionate about so many things. I'm not even going to like photography, videography. I make hair. Like I'm a very handy person, and with me, what I wanted to do was because I'm a very handy person. That's why I turned my channel to lifestyle first of all. Because when I started, I used to do mostly vlogs, like regular vlogs of myself doing things and whatnot. And then when I came back to Nigeria, I kept doing the same thing. Like even though I still used to go to restaurants, I still used to film all those things, but I didn't brand it in that way, which was my mistake. So after I made this I regret moving back to Nigeria video, I got a lot of questions like, oh, so how is this one done? How is Nigeria like this? Is this like I got a lot of questions about Nigeria. And if you notice, I'm still doing vlogs, but now they are more specific. So they are now answering questions people are asking, like, Thai restaurants in Lagos, because some people may be asking, oh, is there any Thai restaurant in Lagos? You get it? So I'm like, basically my titles are answering questions. There's one video though, laundry day, like that was because people were interested in like, oh, does Nigeria have a laundromat? And then there's another video I did, gyms in Nigeria, because somebody was like, are there like standard gyms in Nigeria? Do you get? So basically my videos answer questions, but they are still lifestyle. Because if I leave this country now, it's still lifestyle and travel I'm going to be doing, showing places and whatnot, but then also showing my life, you know.
So, but like when you say lifestyle, does it really mean that you have to create content around your personal life? Because I have no. Like, okay, this is okay. I'm into a relationship, or this is what I do.
No,
I have.
I would even advise you should not. But it depends on you at the end of the day.
But you can still name it like around lifestyle, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. Because, for instance, I know people have been asking, oh, do a sibling tag, bring your family. I cannot bring my family on my channel because I know my subscribers. Right? I don't like their comments, and so I don't want anybody to have access to my family to have an opinion on them. Do you get what I mean? You can have an opinion on me because I'm the one that started my channel. But if let's say I bring my mother and someone says something about my mother, I'll be pissed off.
Like that.
So that's why I don't want to even give them the avenue to do that.
So like
even if Chuche knows this, the time I was having literally an anxiety attack, like because normally like now I already have like almost 5 videos that I haven't edited, so I know that okay, my next week is secure, next week and upper week is secure. There's a time that I did not have video, like I only had like I think 2 videos, and that was for that week because that time I was uploading like 4 videos. So I already posted 2 videos, I had 2 left, I was panicking. I was like, Chuche, I don't have any other idea. Like, idea finished. Do you get? I was actually panicking. Chuche was like, don't worry, just calm down first. Calm down. You can sit down and think of something. So obviously you run out of, well, you don't necessarily run out of content, that's the truth. I feel like if you feel like maybe you're running out of content, just relax first. If it means you don't upload for an entire week, just hold it, relax. Something will come. Let it be natural, let it not be forced. So when I actually stepped back a bit, I had more ideas. And then also what I do is I watch a lot of YouTube videos. So yeah, what I do is I type Nigeria into YouTube because my videos are centered on Nigeria. Basically, it depends on, for instance, me, like I said, I post like 3 to 5 videos a week, right? So that means you're making more money when it comes to ad revenue. That's when you started cashing out, right? Yeah. The very first month I actually got monetized, I already made that first month I made like $300. So that was good because I posted a lot more videos. You get what I mean? So, and then since I got to 3,000 subscribers, I have been receiving a lot of like collaboration proposals and things like that. And then recently sponsorships, like paid sponsorships and whatnot. So yeah, like that's why I don't do anything else besides YouTube, at least for now right now. Yeah. Obviously YouTube is not really like paying everything. Yeah, I had one hair company job like that. So obviously YouTube is not like sustaining. I can't like sustain myself on YouTube yet.
Okay, so it's not like good every month. Like it's not like
it is every month. Okay. I've only been monetized for like 3 months. Okay. So yeah, like that can't determine. Like I can't be sure just from 3 months if it can sustain me. Maybe after a year I'll know. Okay, maybe I'll just stick to doing this.
Guys, we are done, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for having me here. Alright, bye.